Hi, my name is Patrick and I am CTO at Erigones. I will show you how to quickly and easily create a web farm. I am going to start with a connection to Erigones SDDC web management. For our server farm we have available two compute nodes, node 2 and node 3. Both nodes have two local ZFS storages. Public and private networks are available. Each network has its own domain. There are prepared appliances which will be used for virtual server and zone creation. We need to add public SSH key into profile before creating first server, in order to be able to SSH into newly created servers. First we will create Zabbix server, which will be used for monitoring whole data center with a web farm. Name is required field. Tags are used for simplified orientation in large server list and can help in task automatization. Operating system type, number of virtual CPUs and RAM. We add two network cards, first to access public network and second for private network. IP addresses will be added automatically according to the IP plan. We need to add virtual server disk. Select image which is going to deploy Zabbix directly on CentOS Linux. Enable compression which saves disk and also speeds up disk I/O operations. Server is now complete and we can deploy, which creates a virtual server and configure operating system and Zabbix itself. And we are done. We are ready to create the rest of the farm. Instead of manual creation, we are going to use mass import via Excel file. While Excel sheet is validated, let's have a look what's inside. Excel sheet can be created long time before the DC deployment. It is list of virtual servers with all parameters and other useful hints. Pre-generated objects in Excel matches the real objects in data center. Deploy button will create all imported servers. This process can take few minutes, so we will fast forward. With creating and starting the last server, we have ended the boring part of this video. Let's have a look at the important part. What is the state of our data center? As we can see on HTML5 console, Zabbix server is running. Let's have a look at its snapshots. Server snapshot will be taken every hour with 2 days retention. Offsite backups can be set up in a very similar way as snapshots. This is basic server monitoring. Agentless monitoring, CPU, network and disk throughput. Server images contain Zabbix agent, which is configured as a server creation. Server is automatically added to the monitoring from its first start. Zabbix templates are attached automatically, so we have immediate application monitoring setup. Let's check the web farm with both load balancers. Works like a charm. SSH connection test and we are done. Thank you for watching this video.